Okay. Okay, here one example, first problem. It is important for the examination also. Okay. Observe here the first problem. It is given. We have to sketch the following signal. X of t is equals to u of t minus u of t minus 2. Observe here. They given direct one equation. They didn't give anything here. They just asking for us. We have to sketch the signal for the equation for x of t is equals to u of t minus u of t minus 2. First, what you have to do? Which one is of u of t? U of t is called as a unit step function. Okay, we come across this. What is our unit step function is? It's always varying from 0 to infinity. From 0 to infinity, it always be 1. Infinity means just to show with the dotted lines. Okay, this is what the time period. This is what the signal we call as u of. This is u of t function. Okay, this is u of t function. Then we are going to use the subtraction operation. We go on with what all the things are there. Then u of t minus 2. What is u of t minus 2 means? Which property is of t minus 2? It is a shifting. Shift operation we have to perform for the second signal. Okay, first we have to observe what is the signal it's given. From the elementary signals we have to take what is our u of t. U of t is the unit step function. That's what here it is drawn. Here is a unit step function 0 to from 0 to infinity values of time. The amplitude remains 1 only. Amplitude remains 1 only. This is what we got our u of t function. Next, what we have to do? Whatever the problem it's given, first you draw what are the parameters given, which signal is given, and which operation we have to perform. Okay, then subtract both. We got our u of t, then we have to perform what is our u of t minus 2 signal. What is the t naught value here? Actually, what is the shifting operation? Shifting operation is of x of t minus t naught. X of t minus t naught. Yes. What is the t value here? Actually, x of t is equals to x of t minus t naught. Just we want only of t, u of t minus 2. For that reason, I wrote only of this. We know what is our u of t function. Okay. Again, I will draw here. What is our u of t function? This is our, it's a straight line. Okay. It is our u of t function. This parameter is shifting by how many positions? 2 position. What is the value of t naught here? What is the value of t naught here? It is of 2. Correct? T naught is plus 2. Correct? Minus is standard. Again minus is there. So t naught is 2 only. T naught 2 means signal is going to shift towards which position? It is a positive value. For that reason, the signal is going to shift towards the right side. Right side. Right side means towards the right side. Okay, because it's a positive value, right side. Then how many positions it's going to change? From 2 positions. Right? 2 positions Means what you have to do for the u of t signal 0. Observe here, at 0th position time is 0. Okay, 0 plus 2 means plus 2 only. Here it is of 0 position. At 0 it's a 0, 0 plus 2. I told you have to add the shifting operation to the time. For that reason, if I add 0 plus 2 means we'll be getting as 2 only. Means instead of starting from 0, the unit step function, it will start after shifting from position 2. From position 2 means you'll be getting as, instead of 0, you'll be shifting towards 2 position towards right side, and it is going to be starting the signal. This is what the shift operation. Observe here, same thing, it has been taken place. What is our T0 value? T0 value is of 2. Instead of starting the unit step function at 0, it will be starting from 2 position, second position. That's what u of t minus 2 function. This is how you will be getting of. Here it is written, in terms of equation it is written here. U of t minus 2 is equals to 1 when from 2 position. For that reason, when t is greater than or equals to 2, then it will be 1. At 2 greater than 2 values, it will be 1 only. For other values, it will be 0. Okay. Next, here a small, I will draw a signal here. Our unit step, that is u of t. This will be your u of t function. This is your t. Okay. What we have to do of these two signals? What is the condition it's given? We have to perform subtraction, right? Means we have to subtract u of t function with u of t minus 2, means negative operation we have to perform. Just observe here, at for time t less than 0, for both the signal, at time t is less than 0, is there any signal here? We don't have any signal here. At t is less than 0, we don't have any signal here, right? So u of t is equals to u of t minus 2 is equals to, both the values are going to be taken as 0 only. Understand? The amplitude values are 0 only here and also here. For that reason it is 0. Next, what is our operation? X of t is u of t minus u of t minus 2. X of t is u of t is also 0 minus u of t minus 2 is also 0. You will be getting as 0 only. Next, in between, from 0 to 2. In between you don't have any signal here. Here also is of 1 only, right? For that reason, here from 0 to 2 means 0 to 2. In between 0 to 2, u of t is of what? From 0 to infinity it is always 1. For that reason u of t is 1. Here in the second signal, u of t minus 2 is having 0 to 2 is here. It is not having any signal. For that reason it is 0 only. For that reason 1 minus u of t minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 means 1 only. Then for t greater than 2, here t greater than 2, u of t is what? It's always 1 only. For that reason 1 u of t minus 2 is you are at this position, it is having the amplitude as 1. For that reason 1. Then x of t is of what? 1 minus 1 is taken as 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is what the output we got. Okay. Then what we have to do? We got the values here. Just we have to draw the signal. Means for t less than 0, first you draw x-axis and also both x-axis and y-axis. Mention x of t. Output we are drawing, for that reason x of t. Then time t. Then write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 3, 4 also. Okay. Then for t less than 0, for time t less than 0 means negative values, it will be 0. For that reason here is the 0 value. We don't have any signal here. Here it is a 0. For that reason we don't have any signal. Then from 0 to 2. From 0 to 2, what is the amplitude we have? 1 only. From 0 to 2, it is having 1. Then at 2 also it is having 1. Then drop the signal there only. Then what is the in greater than 2 values? T is greater than 2 means we are having 0. Means greater than 2 we don't have any signal. Means it is a 0 only. This is how you have to solve the problem. This is by using the equation, or else just by seeing the figure also I can do. How? This is your 2 signals I got. Next what I will do? Just draw your both the signal. Then at the negative part we don't have any signal. 0 minus 0 again 0 only. So you will not get any signal here. Then 0 to, from 0 to 2, here it is 1. 0 to 2 means here it is 1. Here it is not having any signal. 1. Here don't know. Means 0. 1 minus 0 means 1 only. Till 2 it is going to be 1. Then from 2, if I take the position here 2, from 2 it is 1. Here also from 2 it is 1. 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. So you drop the signal there only. Okay, by equation also you can go. Just by seeing the figures also you can do the operation what it is asked for in the problem. Okay, this is what one problem, how to calculate by using of the graphs. Okay, by equation and also by using, just by seeing the functions also I can perform the operation. This is one example. One more example here it's given. Sketch the signal x of t is equals to minus u of t plus 3 plus 2 into u of t plus 1 minus 2 into u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 3 operation. This is what we have to do. First, what all the functions are given? Okay, what all the functions are given? First you observe those. Take each signal with the different variable. Here it is taken as x1 of t is equals to minus u t plus 3. x2 of signal is taken as 2 u of t plus 1. Then x3 of signal is taken as minus, this whole function is taken, minus 2 u of t minus 1. Then x4 of t is taken as u of t minus 3 function. First we will draw what is our x1 of t. What is our x1 of t? x1 of t. Observe here, here is a negative value minus. Okay, we do minus afterwards. First we will do what is u of t plus 3. What is the shift operation here? Whether it is going to shift towards right position or left position. First you have to consider of that. What is our T naught value here? If you observe the equation here, it is of, what is T naught value? Can anyone guess here? It is a minus 3 value, correct? Yes, actual standard equation is of T minus T naught, right? Here is of plus 3. For that reason, T naught is a minus 3 operation. Then what you have to do? From this T naught value as negative value, what I can decide, the signal is shifting towards left position, right? Shifting towards left position. We know what is our u of t. What is our u of t? This is our u of t function. It's going on continuing. Okay. Here the signal is shifting towards minus 3 position towards the left. From 0 to be added to the shifting position. 0 plus minus 3 means you'll be getting as minus 3 only. Means the signal is going to start from minus 3. It is shifting towards left and it's going on continuing till infinity. This is your what? T plus 3 signal of the u of t function. Minus 3 minus 2, it will be there. Okay, you have to write all the points. 0, then 1, 2, 3 and all. Okay, this is how u of t plus 3 function shifting towards left side. Remember, t naught is minus means shifting towards left side. Then this is we got as u of t plus 3, but here is of negative value. Observe here, it is of a negative value. Due to negative value, this negative value, we have to perform the whole operation to the negative, multiplying with the negative for the u of t plus 3. Means instead of the signal it is at the positive values, it is going to shift towards the negative values. It's not a reflection. Remember, it's not a reflection. The amplitude values are going to be changed. Here, when u of t plus 3 is done means, what is the amplitude is of? For all the function, it is a plus 1. Plus 1 is multiplied with the minus means minus 1 you will get. So, the signal is going to be changing to the negative side. Here it is shown. That is x1 of t. Plus 1 is the magnitude value, amplitude value. Here is the amplitude scaling we are going for. That is of minus, right? Minus into plus 1 means minus 1 will get. For that reason, here is the minus 1. Here what will get? Here is the 1 plus 1. If I multiply it minus means I will get minus 1. For that reason, it will be coming down. The signal is coming down. This is your x1 of t. Next, if I go for the x2 of t. What is our x2 of t? 2 into t plus 1. Here also plus 1 means what? Here minus 3 was there. From minus 3 it started. Here it is of plus 1 means from plus 1, sorry, minus 1, it will start the signal. Yes, from minus 1, the signal will start our u of t function. Then we got the u of t plus 1 of this function. Next, what we have to perform? We have to multiply with the 2. We have to multiply. Here it will be 1. If I multiply the whole signal by 2 means you will be getting as amplitude is going to change as, instead of 1 it will be changing to 2. Minus 1, 2. All the amplitude values are going to change as 2 only. This is your x2 of t. Then what is our next? minus 2 u of t minus 1. Here minus 2 u of, what is the function? T minus 1. T minus 1. Okay. How to perform this? As usual, first consider of u of t. Okay, u of t signal is a, this u of t is a, you have to write x-axis, y-axis and all. Okay, this is our u of t. First I will shift operation, then we consider of the scaling. Okay, how many, what is the t naught value in this case? It is of 1, means the signal is shifting towards right position. Instead starting from 0, it will start from 1 position. This is what u of t minus 1. I am doing the only of this part. You will be getting of this. What is the amplitude here? 1 only. Then what is, we have to multiply? For this we have to multiply with 2. Correct? For the whole u of t minus 1, we have to multiply in terms of amplitude, as 2. For that reason, what it is going for? Instead of 1, it will be changing. I will draw here again. Instead of 1, it will be going for 2. The signal is going to change as 2. Okay. Up to where we done? Up to this position we finished off now, right? Next, what is left? We have to take the negative value. We have to multiply for the minus value for the whole. Minus value for the whole means multiply the whole signal by minus. Okay, so what I will be getting? Instead of having positive 2, I will be getting the negative 2. Means here negative 2s. The instead of at positive, it is becoming down here. This is how we have to do for the minus 2 u of t minus 1 signal. Understood? Next, if I go for the next, what is the last one is of u of t minus 3. Only one function it's given. Instead of, that is u of t minus 3. Okay, means the signal is going to be shifting towards, what is the t naught value? Plus 3. Plus 3 means right side. Plus means right. Okay, u of t function is going to shift towards right position. How many positions shifted? 3 position shifted. Okay, this is how you have to perform the operation for the each individual. Okay, in your notes how you have to do? If you have no, directly you can draw, or else make an some space there and calculate for each function. Okay, then write the result like this, one below, one below, one below. Okay, then it will be easy to add the signal all. Okay, this is, we got all the functions. Now I'll erase all the parts. Okay, observe here. We have x of 1 of t, x2 of 3, x3 of t, and also x4 of t. Now what we have to do? We have to add all the operation, because we already taken each parameters in a negative way already. Each taken as a negative and we done the operation. For that reason, we have to add all the signals what we got. To do that, observe here how to do. First you fix the range in x-axis. What is the last range in the negative side? Last range is of what? -3, right? First in the x-axis, observe here where I am showing. In the x-axis, take from -3, from -3 to, in the positive part, you already got all the signals for that reason. Here all are 3. You can take as 4 also, okay? No problem. Fix the range, okay? Then observe the figures, all the figures. From -3, here -3, here -3, here -3. Is there any signal of x2, x3 and x4? Here is also 0, here is also 0, here also 0. But here we have a signal, that is 1. What is the amplitude here? -1. Here is the -1. For that reason, here you have to take -1. Means draw and up to -1. Then till where it has to continue, right? Up to where? Just check here. Here -2, we don't have any signal. Here -2, we don't have any signal. Here -2, we don't have any signal. Means this -3 is going to be continuing. Means -3, -2. Then go for considering for the next. -2 we done. Next -1. When I come across -1, here is of -1. At this position, what is the value? +2. Observe here. Here is of -1. Here is of +2. Here 0. Here is also 0. Then we have to add these two signal. What is -1 plus 2? What is the value of -1 plus 2? It's of a 1, right? Positive value of 1. For that reason, till -1, continue, we will be getting at -1 as 1 value, because -1 plus 2 is 1. For that reason, it is going to be taken towards upwards and you will be getting as 1, positive value of 1. Then again observe here, at the 0th position, we finished off -1, then at the 0th position, here is of -1, again here is of +2. Here we don't have any signal, here also we don't have any signal. I will change the color so that you can differentiate there. Here -1 is 0 position is -1, here is 2. Again -1 plus 2 means 1 only. At position 0 we will be getting as 1. Then at 1 position, again come here, here is of -1 only, here 1, here is of 2 only, but here what is the signal? Here is of -2. Here we got -1, here we got 2, but in third signal we got -2 here at 1 position. Means what you will be getting? -2 plus 2. We have to add all the things of these. 2 -2 are 0 and you will be left with -1. Means at 1 position you will be getting the amplitude as -1. For that reason, from -1 to 1 it will be 1. At 1 position it will be going for -1 value. Okay. Then again here for all the values it will be -1 only. Here x2 of signal is always 2 only. Then here it will be -2 only. Observe here. Here is always positive of 2. Here is of always negative of 2. Means if I add these two signals, you will be getting what value? It will be 0 only. Correct? +2, -2. Then what you have to do? Skip off this. Then I have to perform x1 of t with x4 of t. What is the value is going? till from 1 to 3. If you observe here, till from 1 to 3 it is minus 1. Here 1, 2, 3, here you don't have any signal. Observe here, we don't have any signal. So it will be continuing till 3 as minus 1 only. Observe 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Here we don't have any signal. I told this is all going to be 0 only. For that reason it will be minus 1. Then observe here, if I go for the further section, these two are 0 only. Leave of that. Then here it will be from 4. If I go for next value, here it is minus 1. If I come here from 3 to 4, plus 1. Here is of minus 1, here is of plus 1. What I will be getting? Plus 1 minus 1 means 0 only. For that reason, here from 3 you will not get any signal. For that reason, here it will be 0. This is how we have to solve by using the signals. From each point you calculate and then get the output. Okay, this is your second problem. From the equation also you can go through. Okay, just by seeing the figures also you can, or else by using the equation. Which one is convenient for you? You can go. These are two examples. I will stop the session. Next class we will go for the next set of problems. Okay.